This video is going to show you how to replace a dataset. So the first thing we want to do is click over here on the dataset library, and then we're going to click next to the dataset that we want to replace. So I want to replace my stored data, so I'll click there, and then I'll come up and click the replace button. Once here, I just need to paste in the new data. So I'm going to go over to Excel, and once I'm here in Excel, I just want to make sure that all my columns are formatted correctly so that I know Mapline will plot the pins correctly. So I have the address, the city, the state, and the postal code. So I'm good to go. So what I'll do is I will select all of these columns, I'll copy those, and then I'll go back here into Mapline and I'll hit paste, and then I'll click next. Now here I'll just want to make sure that all the columns are matching up correctly with what Mapline thinks they are. And in this case they're all right, so I'll click OK. And then I'm just going to be shown a message to confirm that I'm okay with replacing my data set and losing all of the existing data. So I'll click OK. And there you go. Now my data set has been replaced. And if I click on it, I can see all the new locations that I've uploaded. And that's how easy it is to replace a data set in Mapline.